Hello. I want to make. I want to ask. I want to explain the term, the famous term called the chosen ones. Everyone who is aware of the term, the chosen ones, know that this term is related to the nation of Israel, and they are called the chosen one, and they have like the chosen one of God, or the chosen one of they are chosen because something, but we don't know really. We never ask why. They are chosen because they are from the planet Nibiru. So as we try to find some information about the planet Nibiru, we just write the planet Nibiru, and we get a lot of matches that are very eager to deny the existence of the planet Nibiru, and they like ridicule and oh, this imaginary planet, and they want to oh, it's not real, oh, it's just and then this stuff, and those who claim it is the planet of hell. In some Muslim traditions, they call it the planet of the torture. And I mean, I heard every kind of nasty names about the planet of Nibiru, that is the kingdom of God. But we start, I will give you the links in the description box. We have, if you write Nibiru, Babylon astronomy in Wikipedia, you get Nibiru, Nibiru, Nibiru. These are the terms in the Akkadian language, translation to the crossing or point of transition, special of rivers. So we have this, and then if you go to write encyclopedia.com, if you write Habiru, Habiru, then between parentheses you write Habiri, Habiri. It's in Ugaritic and Egyptian spellings. We have the letter. It's the letter B in Habiru. It's actually the letter P. So it is. It is. According to G. Levy's. BR in Habiru, it is the root. The root in Habiru, it is the one who has crossed over. So we have Nibiru and Habiru. Both words mean the same thing about the crossing. So we have we go back to the Wikipedia link. In Nibiru, Babylonian astronomy, and it is Nibiru. It is the Akkadian. We already read that in Akkadian language, is crossing at the point of transition, especially of rivers. So we have this Tiamat, the old Earth, our mother. Who was married with the fresh and the salt water, who were married to Abzu, Abzu, and both was killed by the devil Marduk. So Tiamat is the sea for the planet Nibiru, crosses the center of Tiamat, and it's like Tiamat is the sea, so it's crossing, Nibiru is crossing Tiamat by crashing into her. So we have also the mystery of Nibiru the mystery of Nibiru may be tied into the history of the Hebrews. So the word, the Semitic word Iber, E-B-E-R, or Heber, is not means to cross. Ubur is the Semitic word with abar, Ubur, the crossing. So now we know the word Hebrews. The Hebrews is from Habiru. Habiru is Nibiru. So they have changed the first letter. So we know the Hebrews are the chosen ones because they are from Nibiru, from the planet Nibiru, where we have the throne of God. So enough with this try to ridicule the planet Nibiru as a imagination, or just like to make science fiction movies. It is in history, and it is why we worship Jesus Christ, because he said, I am the morning star. I am from David. So the morning star, we all know that the morning star is the planet Nibiru. So I will provide the links. So we have these, the Hebrews are not the Israelites. The Israelites are from descendants of Abraham. The Hebrews are not. So we have this, they have mixed up the Israelite with the Hebrews and stuff like that. So the Israelites are not the Hebrews. So just in case people try to I mean, the religion, Nibiru is before all religions. Nibiru is something that created life on earth by providing water when the ice on Nibiru melt, when it crashed into earth, into Tiamat. That's all. Enjoy.